This Crock Pot Peach Cobbler is warm, gooey, and ridiculously easy. Just dump it in, set it, and forget it. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make, because if you can read, you can cook. Now, today I'm showing you how to make a Crock Pot Peach Cobbler that's sweet, cozy, and perfect for when you want dessert without lifting a finger. The full printable recipe is in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. So the first thing we're gonna do to make our Crock Pot Peach Cobbler is to work on the cobbler part. So in this bowl here, I have some brown sugar, and to that I'm going to add some quick cooking oats. You wanna use the quick cooking ones because they'll cook up nice. Then we're going to add some flour, and we're gonna season it up. So here I have sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon, and allspice. So you can already see that this is gonna be so flavorful. And a little bit of baking powder. All right, next up I have some butter, cold butter that I cubed up. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that in there. And I need to break this butter up a bit, so the best thing to use are your hands. So I'm just going in, and as I do that, I'm just going to mix these ingredients together and try to break up these butter pieces, just smushing them between my fingers. All right, so I am going to wash my hands, and I'm gonna get the slow cooker in here, and we're gonna finish this up. All right, so I have my slow cooker. I always use slow cooker liners. You do you. If you want to use them, I'll put a link to the ones I use in the show notes for you so you can grab them, or you can just make it right in the crock. I hate doing dishes, so the easier my cleanup is, the better. So to our slow cooker, I'm going to add 10 fresh peaches that I peeled and I pitted and I sliced. So these are fresh, not canned, and this took about 10 of them. So in they go. Right on the bottom. I'm just gonna spread them into an even layer there. And then on top of that, we have our topping that we just made. So that cobbler topping is gonna go right on top. We're not mixing it in. We're just pouring it on top, and we're gonna evenly distribute it around. And that's it. Lid on. You're gonna cook it on low for 4 hours or high for 2 hours, whichever you prefer. I've done both depending on how much time I have. So this is gonna cook, and then we're gonna come back and give it a try. So here's some tips for making this peach cobbler even better. Remember, do not stir once you add the crumble topping. Leave that layer there and let it do its thing. Now, if you really want to take this over the top, top it with vanilla ice cream for right before serving it and give it that extra wow. The ice cream will melt into the warm cobbler and it's pure perfection. Now, this smells incredible, and I've been waiting a long time to dig into this. It has been cooking away. So I am going in. It looks great. Look at this cobbler. Yum. Best part of the job right here. Ooh, it is smoking hot. Oh, this Crock Pot Peach Cobbler is definitely a keeper. All those warm spices, the allspice, the cinnamon, the nutmeg. It's easy, cozy, and totally foolproof. So be sure to share this video with someone who loves good food, and don't forget, grab that printable recipe in the video description below. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you love easy dump and go desserts, check out my Crock Pot Apple Crisp. It's just as simple and fills your house with a warm, cozy aroma. Click right here and I'll see you over there.